Hello everyone, I'm Sian Proctor, the Science Communication Education Outreach Officer on the JOIDES Resolution Expedition 383, and I'm in the chemistry lab on board the JR, and I'm with chemists. And what we want to know is, why is chemistry important?
All right, so I'm Simone. I'm the organic geochemist on board, day shift. And organic geochemistry on the JOIDES is very important for several reasons. So the first reason is that we measure methane concentrations in the sediments. So you might ask yourself, why is it important? And the reason is that we are drilling sediments, and in these sediments we found natural gas. And natural gas can be very dangerous when it's in high concentration, because it might lead, first of all, it can be dangerous for the environment, because a leak of gas in the environment, submarine environment, can damage natural wildlife. But also it can be very dangerous for us, because this gas is highly pressurized, and so it can cause explosions, literally.
Ooh,
so
that'd be bad.
Explosions are bad.
Yes.
So we don't want that. So basically what we do is to measure the concentration of this methane to make sure that we are not hitting a spot where there is high methane.
So every core that we drill, do you take a sample to measure the methane?
Yeah, every single core we take a single sample of 5 cubic centimeter, and we measure the methane concentration in the sediment. Yeah.
Awesome. And Lisa?
Yeah, so I'm Lisa. I'm the inorganic geochemist, and we focus mainly on the water. So the organic side does the gas, and we do the water in the sediment. And the water is really important because it's one of the only parts of the sediment that can change really quickly. So once you take the solid sediment, we can bring it back to land, kind of at our leisure, do whatever analyses. But the pore water, as soon as you separate it from the solid sediment, it starts changing. It can evaporate, different dissolved things can start to change. So we have to analyze that right on board if we want to get that information. And knowing what's in the pore water can be really important in terms of determining what chemical reactions are happening in the sediment, so that we can interpret the paleo signals in the sediment core.
Wow, that's great. So now I definitely understand why chemistry is so important, and we have an inorganic and organic chemist on board. Thanks.
Yeah, thank
you.
you.